Far beyond the well-trodden trails lies a place where few riders ever venture. Remote, raw, and vast. Where the land feels endless, and even the silence has a sound. This is Dolpo. A high-altitude desert carved by wind and time, empty and yet full of wonder. Tucked into its folds, the rider will find a culture untouched by modern life, ancient, spiritual, deeply rooted, and welcoming. Here in the land of wind, snow, and mist, they survive. Here, every village feels like a secret, and every smile tells a story. The culture is deeply embedded in Buddhism's strand, and resilient people traverse the narrow paths and high passes, trading and earning and somehow living. Their spirit is one with the mountains. Dolpo offers a tantalizing appeal to the adventure-seeking mountain biker. But she doesn't give herself away easily. To ride here is to know what it is to find your limits, to touch the void of adventure and remoteness. The ride will test your lungs, your legs, and your true grit. Endless climbs, thin air, pedal strokes that must be earned. And yet, in this harshness, in this testing of your spirit, Dolpo gives back more than it takes. It strips things down and lays bare your soul. To the ride, to the moment, to yourself. Dolpo isn't just a place you ride through and leave behind. It travels with you in every forward moment. It lingers in your mind and haunts you to return. Untamed, unreal, unforgettable. Let's us take you there and find your limits.